Good evening, I'm Xenophon of Oviduis-Sophron-Naso, and I'm here to show you a demonstration of how to make a wonderful mug of drinking chocolate. Firstly, we have green and blacks, which is excellent. This drinking chocolate is organic, which is very nice. And we have Twinings drinking chocolate here. It's the Swiss one. This is my favorite of the two. But when you make this, green and blacks, according to their instructions, if I make it with 3 to 4 of these spoons in there, you'll have the geyser chip and a cleaning up mess. So for that reason, if you're doing that, you have to make this, do it on a saucer and shove it in there. I don't want to then have to come up, stir it, and pour it into another mug, because that'll be 2 mugs to clean up afterwards rather than 1. So I'm bypassing that, and I'll make a perfect mug of chocolate. In this demonstration, you'll be watching a regular mug of organic drinking chocolate in this case, which will be the green and blacks, which I'm going to do. The next time I'll use that. With this, I'm going to use 3 of these mini teaspoons. It's the mini teaspoons that I use either which way. This one works with 3, no problems. This will work with 2. So in here, 2 of these in there, and it will not have a problem. This is a Russell Hobbs 30 litre microwave, which is a very nice one. So let's get started. So we take 1, 2, just like that. That's all you need, those mini teaspoons. And that's the green and blacks that I use. If you put in what they put in there, and you do it in there, you'll have a nice mess to clean up afterwards. It turns into a geyser. You don't want that. So I'm not prepared to clean up a mess just for a video. Sorry, not even for in-laws. 1, 2, and 2 2/3 of a sugar. Not quite 3, but that's what I mean. Our milk that we use, that we get, is from McQueen's Dairies, which are delivered to our door on Mondays and Thursdays, which is lovely. And I go through 2 litres a day. I'm not prepared to go to the grocery store just to pay $1.99. I get it delivered to my door. Whereas at the grocery store it may be 50 pence cheaper, but you have to still pay a bus fare to get there and back. Or a car, petrol, gasoline to get there and back, just to go and get the milk. Forget it. Or if you have to walk there and back, also forget it. I get it delivered to your convenience. And that's more important to me. As a result of a TIA stroke I had end of October 2017, I'm not prepared to walk the planet just for a couple of litres of milk. Sorry. As a result of having loads of headaches for decades, I decided on this chocolate routine to replace my coffee, because I would normally be a big coffee drinker. I have the occasional coffees now. And mix it into a paste and then fill it up. I didn't do it a very good way. I've had too much milk in it. It doesn't matter. Now I fill it up. So when you're doing it with just a little bit of milk, just to make the paste, is the best way. Then you stir it again. Just move that out of the way so you can see a bit better. And then when that goes in there, you open that, pop it straight in like this into the center. Close your door, microwave 100% and up to 1 minute 50 seconds. Well, I want 1 and 48, but I couldn't get that, so I have to compromise. In 1 minute and 50 seconds total, from start to finish, that drinking chocolate will be beautiful. I stir it and it will be marvelous to drink. Now, as I said, I was going to make the problematic, because this here, if I go through here to enjoy the read, where does it say? I don't see an address. There. I put 4 teaspoons of the drinking chocolate into a mug and pour over 250 ml of hot semi-skimmed milk and stir. Now, forget the semi-skimmed. If I can't drink the milk like that out of a glass, I will not touch the milk. This is homogenized milk that I get, full with everything in it. and that's the best way to go, because I pour the milk into a glass and I can drink it straight and it's okay. For this kind of reason, I can't go according to the instructions of these guys, because their way would have to be heating up that milk in a saucepan and not done in a microwave. And then you pour the hot milk onto the chocolate and do it that way. And there'll be no guys doing it that way. This is a microwave, so you use 2 of these teaspoons with this and it works fine. I can now put these away while that's on the go. Now, all I need to do now is coming to the end of the filming, so the footage, there we go. Milk's put away, and let's see. Now, all I need to do is remove my chocolate from the microwave. Wonderful, no mess. Now, all I need to do is stir it here. If I stir the chocolate like so, wonderful. Tastes good, and perfect mug of drinking chocolate, that is. Before I close for this evening, I must just have a sample of it. Awesome. And that's how you make a wonderful mug of drinking chocolate.